So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic monitor frames just by using the Canva for your videos, your YouTube videos, tutorials, or anything. Now, in order to do it, just simply create a new design of whatever issue you want under here. Search for frame in the element section and enable this frames option from here. Now here, when you scroll down, you'll see this monitor like option. Just simply drag and drop it to the window. Now you just simply need to upload whatever the video you want to upload in here, and it will automatically gets fit in. For example, if I go to uploads and select any photo from here to just show you the sample, for example, let's say this one. If I drag and drop it, you'll notice that it will automatically fit in inside the frame, and same goes for the videos as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.